we could see heredity and hereditary changes, as well as different processes like transcription, translocation and translation. You have already seen all these processes in YouTube link sent by me in last week. Now in today's video we are going to see evolution. What exactly evolution means? Evolution is the gradual change occurring in living organism over a long duration. Definitely it's a long, slow going process. Even formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organism as a response to natural selection is also called as evolution. About 3.5 billion years ago, life had been non-existent on the earth. At the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the surface of the earth. Simple type of organic and inorganic compounds may have been formed from these compounds. Complex compounds like proteins and nucleic acids may have been formed over the long period from these simple compounds. And afterwards, the first primitive type of cell or living organism may have been formed from the mixture of different types of organic and inorganic compounds. At present, crores of species of plants and animals with huge diversity regarding shape and complexity are present on the surface of the earth. Animal diversity ranges from unicellular amoeba or paramecium to man and giant whale. The plant diversity consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to the huge banyan tree. The life exists on earth everywhere from the equator to both the poles. Organisms are present at all the places like air, water, land, rock, etc. Humans have shown greater curiosity about origin of life and reasons for such a great diversity in life present on the earth since ancient period. Different theories about origin and evolution of life have been proposed till today, of which theory of gradual development of living organism is accepted. So now let us start with theory of evolution. So here we are with the theory of evolution. According to this theory of evolution, first living material. So the living material is also called as protoplasm, which is formed in the ocean. In due course of time, unicellular organisms or unicellular organism was formed from protoplasm. Gradually, changes occurred in the unicellular organisms from which larger and even more complex organisms were formed. All the changes were slow and gradual. During all the changes, about 350 crore years ago, changes and developments in living organism had been taken place, and it is all round and multi-dimensional, and this led to evolution of different types of organisms. Hence, the overall process is called as evolution, which is organizational, or even progressive development of plants and animals from the ancestors having different structural and functional organization is also called evolution. Now we'll turn towards evidences of evolution, and from these evidences of evolution we will start with first evidence, that is the morphological evidence. Now we'll see what exactly morphology means. There are two terms which usually comes in biology. These are morphology and anatomy. Morphology means external study of an animal, whereas anatomy means internal study or internal body parts study of an animals. So, after morphological evidences, similarities have been seen in animals, mouth, position of eyes, structure of nostrils, ear pinnae, etc. As well as in plants, similarities have also been seen in leaf shape, in venation. You have already seen venation in 9th standard, that is parallel venation and reticulate venation, etc. This proves that their origin, there means animal's origin, must be same, and all these animals have common ancestors. These morphological evidences you can see to the right hand side of the board. A small diagram have also been given as the morphological evidence. We shall start with second type of evidences for evolution, that is anatomical evidences. Anatomy means internal study of an animal. Superficial similarities have been found in human hand, cat's leg, flipper of well, patagium of bat. All these you can see to the right hand side of the board, where a picture have been shown of these different body parts of organism. These structures indicate that these animals must have or may have common ancestors. They show similarity in structure of bones as well as structure of joints in organs of animals.